Huawei's new manufacturing facility in Guanlan, Shenzhen. Huawei Technologies has taken a bold step in reinforcing self-reliance in semiconductor production with the construction of a major chip manufacturing facility in Guanlan, a district in Shenzhen. This initiative marks a strategic shift for the tech giant, moving beyond chip design to actual fabrication, an area once dominated by foreign firms such as Taiwan's TSMC and the Netherlands ASML. The move underscores Huawei's ambitions to lead in both the artificial intelligence, AI, and telecommunications sectors, while insulating itself from U.S. export restrictions and technological embargoes. Construction began in 2022, and 3 key manufacturing sites have emerged in close proximity, all bearing a similar architectural layout. These sites collectively form the foundation of Huawei's next-generation chip strategy. One of the sites is directly operated by Huawei and is expected to produce advanced 7-nanometer chips for smartphones, as well as Ascend processors for AI applications. This leap into fabrication marks Huawei's debut in manufacturing its own high-end chips, as opposed to relying on contract manufacturers. 2 other sites in the Guanlan cluster are operated by startups: Carrier, which specializes in chip production equipment, and Swaysure, a memory chip manufacturer. Although Huawei officially denies any formal ownership of these companies, insiders report strong operational ties, including shared personnel, overlapping technologies, and financial backing. These connections suggest a strategic alignment in service of Huawei's broader national mission to achieve semiconductor independence. The local government in Shenzhen is playing a critical role by channeling state funds to support these ventures. This model enables the mobilization of public investment in Huawei's chip ecosystem without the firm needing to relinquish equity, thereby maintaining its control while benefiting from significant state sponsorship. A key motivation behind this infrastructure surge is to alleviate bottlenecks in the supply of Huawei's Ascend AI chips. Current production volumes are insufficient to meet escalating demand, with reports of orders in the millions. Once operational, likely by 2026, the Guanlan facility will be pivotal in scaling up production, ensuring continuity in Huawei's supply chain, and positioning the company as a formidable alternative to Western chip suppliers. Huawei's Guanlan project represents more than a corporate expansion. It is a symbol of China's determination to close the technological gap with the West. If successful, it may well reshape the global semiconductor landscape in the coming decade. References: Financial Times. Huawei builds secret network for chips in move to beat U.S. sanctions. April 2024. hps:/www.ft.com/afd618t9c942972a949f7wt phoninf-to-ft.com/618f8-429789449dc54. To the Outpost. Huawei's ambitious push into advanced chip making, building a mega facility in Shenzhen. April 2024. HiteTheOutpost.ai/news-story. Huawei's ambitious push into advanced chipmaking, building a mega facility in Shenzhen. 14f.ai/story. Huawei's ambitious push into advanced chipmaking, building a mega facility in Shenzhen. -14v5. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed now seek the skies, and slowly clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again, its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise, to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.